What is up, guys? Welcome back to the freaking channel, Walking on Water. In today's episode, it is freaking raining up here in the Northwest. It's a transitional time of year. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween, by the way. Comment down below what you guys are gonna be for freaking Halloween. I really want to know. I'd love to show my kids some of you guys dressed up, or just tell them your costume ideas. That would be really cool. So we are in the house today. We are talking about bait loops, and winter steelhead are getting ready to run, and I'm super stoked about all of that. And so I want to go through on how to tie up a bait loop knot for you guys, so we can have them in our arsenal when we are going out to target some of these fish. But look at this right down here where this hook is. 90.8% of people that watch my channel are not subscribing, and 9.2% are subscribing. It's free to subscribe. If it's helping you out in any way, you enjoy the content, you just like my enthusiasm, or you just want to make fun of me, just smash the subscribe button. Either way, I would love that. It would help me out a ton, and it's free for you. Also, brings me to my next topic. LEWS Mach 2 Baitcaster Combo giveaway is happening on the channel right now, and it is free for you to enter. All you got to do is subscribe, like videos, comment so I know your name so I can put it in the wheel when we go live. But look at these analytics really fast. We are at 3,442. We are losing watch hours as we are gaining them. It has to be within a 12-month period. We have smashed the subscriber base to give the rod away. Now we just got to hit the watch hours. So hit play, share the videos out, get people in. Let's get them subscribed. Let's go live. Let's give one of you guys a brand new freaking rod. Let's get into the bait loop. All right, guys. So the bait loop. Let's get into this. Let's grab our main line right here, create a tag, and let's put it through the eye, just like so. Run it down, pinch that, okay? Now we're gonna grab the main line right here that I'm pulling on, and we are gonna wrap it around the shank of the hook 4 or 5 times. 4, 5, I'll do 6. Then we're just gonna pinch it between our fingers like so, okay? We're gonna come up here and grab the main line. See this little tag I'm creating? And we're gonna put it through the back of the eye of the hook, just like so, okay? Then we're gonna pinch that along the shank as well. So just where the main line went through the back, see how I'm bubbling it up right here? We're just pinching the line that's behind that against the shank, okay? Then we're gonna go back down, make a big loop, sometimes it's kind of hard. Then we're gonna grab the line that we've already twisted, okay? And we're gonna start wrapping the line that we are now pinching. 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna pull that. Now, as you can see, the main line that we've pinched back is now wrapped right here against the shank of the hook. And then we're just gonna pull. Okay, we're just gonna keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Make sure that the loop that we have is above the shank. We're gonna pull, 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 pull. Just like so, okay? Give it a nice pull. Put your finger in there like that and set the knot, okay? And grab our clippers. Go ahead and clip the tag off. And now let's take a look at it. We have a loop right there, perfectly set. To come down and around, grab your bait, and lock it right up into place. And this is exactly how you want to tie up any bait loop knot that you're going to use for any type of fish, okay? And then of course, if you don't want to use the bait loop in it, just wrap the loop back around again, pull it tight, and you have an amazingly tied hook for any type of fishing with just the bait loop adapter. And then back around, and then pull it tight. I really hoped this video helped you guys in some way. Again, LEWS Mach 2 Baitcaster Combo giveaway is happening right now. Go ahead. Happy Halloween. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys in the next one.